I am going to record Dexter saying some words he knows, so enjoy. Hold on. Who's that? Is that you? Can you say eggy?
Eggies?
Say eggies? Good boy. Can you say blue?
Yeah.
Blue? Can you say orange? Orange? Can you say Elmo? Elmo? Okay, what else can you say? Can you say cars? Say cars. Say cars. Momo. Can you say cars? Say eyes. Where's Mommy's eyes? Eyes.
No.
Nose.
Balls.
Mouth. Cheeks. Can you say cheeks? Say cheeks. Cheeks. Say hair. Hair. Yeah, Mommy's hair. Dexter's hair. What else can you say? Can you say t-shirt? How about spaghetti? Spaghetti. You say noodle? Are you eating your eggies? Can you say iced tea? Iced tea? Say milk.
Milk.
Milk. Good boy. Can you say leg? Can you say puppy? Say it louder. Say puppy. Come on, say puppy.
It's like my
Say apple.
apple.
Apple. Can you say TV? Say TV. Dexter, say TV.
Hot.
Hot. Can you say cold? Say brr, cold. Can you say mommy? Can you say Shelby? Say Shelby. Shelby. Can you say daddy? Shh, don't yell. Say daddy. Say daddy. Can you say daddy? Hey, pay attention. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
No.
Bye-bye.
No.
Bye-bye.
No.
Bye. Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Blow kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Bye.